Hey guys, let's make yummy pizzas at home. These are the ingredients required for the pizza base. Let's start by adding yeast to the lukewarm milk and then the sugar as sugar helps in activating the yeast. Mix to dissolve the mixture and let it rest for 15 minutes. The mixture bubbles up, which means it is activated. Take the sifted flour, the baking powder and salt in a separate bowl and mix them thoroughly. Now let's combine the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Make a hole in the center of the flour and pour in the yeast mixture, and then pour the curd. Mix well with a spatula. At this point, the mixture looks little dry. Adding milk will help to bring the dough together. Mix until it forms into a sticky dough. If the dough is too dry, you can add extra milk. If the dough is too soft, you can add a little bit of flour. Wrap the bowl tightly with a cling wrap and cover it with a kitchen towel. Leave the bowl in a warm place for 2 hours for the dough to proof. After 2 hours, you can see the dough has risen to double in size. Dust the surface with little flour and knead the dough very lightly, making sure not to knock off all the air. Now cut the dough into 4 equal portions. This recipe allows to make 4 thin crust pizzas. Form each portion into a round ball. You can use the dough immediately or store it in the refrigerator, wrapped tightly in a cling film and covered in an airtight container. Take one portion of the dough and roll it flat to make the pizza base. Move the rolled dough onto a pizza pan or a tray. With the help of a fork, poke holes onto the pizza base. Apply thin layer of tomato sauce onto the pizza base. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese or pizza cheese on the sauce. You can add more or less cheese as per your preference. Before adding the toppings, it is better to slice the base into equal portions as later it will be easy to cut through the baked pizza. You can add any toppings of your choice. At last, sprinkle pizza seasoning for more flavor or sprinkle dried oregano leaves. Bake the pizza for 15 to 20 minutes in 180 degrees preheated oven. Cut the pizza in slices and serve while it is